everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I will be showing you MLA citations, specifically the Works Cited page. So first, what is a Works Cited page? A Works Cited page is the list after the essay of the resources you used. So in other words, it's a list of all of the resources where you took your information from. The Works Cited page will be in alphabetical order and will be formatted with a hanging indentation. Below is an example of a Works Cited page. So first, how to set up the page. You first need to insert a page break. So you will have to go to the Insert tab in the ribbon located above the workspace. After you click that tab, you will click Page Break under the Pages group in the ribbon. It will be to the far left. After you do that, you have to make sure that the first line is centered. This will be like a title, and it will say Works Cited. To center this line, you will make sure you are back in the Home tab, and then in the Paragraph group, you will click the button highlighted in the picture below. Now for the actual citation example. This is just a basic format. So you will have the author's last name, comma, first name, period, the article name within quotations, the title of the website, project, or books, which will be italicized, and then the version or edition or volume number, depending on what kind of source it is, the publisher information, publication date, page numbers, and the URL if it is applicable. In other words, if you found it online. Now this can change up depending on where you got your source from. This will require further study. Next, we need to make sure the page is formatted with a hanging indentation. So below, this is an example of what it will look like before you apply the hanging indentation formatting. You will need to make sure that you are still in the Home tab of the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, there will be a bottom right corner as highlighted in the picture. After you press this button, this dialog box will pop up. You will select the drop-down box under Special, which is highlighted in the picture. This will produce a drop-down box, where you will choose Hanging. After you select the Hanging option, you will then press OK. This will close the dialog box. Now you will see that there is a hanging indentation formatting on your Works Cited page, as seen in the picture below. That's it for the Works Cited page. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a different video.